This week I learned self-love, like true self-love. I feel like I encoded happiness into my DNA and just erased any depression I had. So my name is Orsi and this is my second time at Arkana. I feel like I got all the darkness out of me and just sent them towards the light, and I have no more darkness in me. It's just beautiful, and I feel so light and at peace, and I'm happy. Everything here, it just feels like I'm in a safe bubble. The shamans are absolutely amazing. There are no words of this family of shamans. The maestros and the maestras are incredibly powerful, and if you just trust them, they will heal you. They know what you need. If it's your first time trying ayahuasca or you're considering it because you had the calling, I can only recommend this place. This is the most authentic place you can do, and this is where ayahuasca is from. You cannot go to a better place than Arkana.